Hi everybody, Andrew here, back with Susan, and today we're going to be opening another Tokyo treat box. We did one of these about a month ago, and we got our new one, so we're going to go ahead and open it for you. We're not sure which month this is, but go ahead and find out. Oh, spooky!
October?
Yeah,
Halloween?
if I had to guess, it was October 1. Oh man, I see Pikachu already. So over here, like always, we have our little treat manual guide that tells us what we got. And of course, we got the premium box because we have to get the premium box. And it seems like this time it comes with a Lipton milk tea thing. Ooh, the apple pie Kitkats are back.
That sounds good.
I like those. More takoyaki. I don't really like those. Pringles?
Pringles.
Maybe.
I like Pringles. What's
Maple
that
butter
Pikachu?
beer Ramoon candy.
That's weird.
And then over here from the classic side, caramel corn pumpkin pudding flavor, Pokemon Halloween choco corn, so chocolate, sweet Pokemon, or potato, not Pokemon, sweet potato, Karusatsuma sticks.
Which one's that? Which thing? Those?
That's
I
that
like
one.
sweet potatoes.
Ghoulish gummies, I like gummies, Franken gum, marshmallow pudding marshmallow, Halloween corn pizza flavor, Monster Stamp Ramoon, Omaibo ring mintai, monster gum, grape soda gummy, and then a Halloween mystery snack. So let's go ahead and Susie, you want to start taking it apart and seeing what we got where?
Okay, so this looks like it's like chocolates maybe. I don't know, but it looks really good. Like the things
Yeah, those are the little Pokemon chocolates.
They look like Cocoa Puffs or something.
This is the Bubbly Takoyaki.
Those are good.
Yeah, it tastes like fish. Caramel corn, I love this stuff.
That? Like that kind?
Yeah, it's good.
We should try it. This looks like, I don't know, some other kind of like, is this the sweet potato one or was that? Oh no, that was the sticks. What was this?
I don't know.
Ghost. Oh, right there. What is that? The pizza.
Pizza flavored Halloween corn.
Interesting.
Is this the mystery snack? No.
It looks good.
This is the Umabo rings.
That looks like the one.
It's those sticks. Well, actually, you know those sticks that we get sometimes that don't taste really good, like they're long and
Yeah.
it's those, but just in ring
no.
form. Pringles.
Pringles. What kind?
I don't.
It looks like something sweet,
No,
maybe.
looks some sweet, maybe fishy.
Ew.
I think that's shrimp. I don't know.
I don't like when they do shrimp stuff.
We'll have to try it.
The Kitkat.
Those are so good. We got those last year from this box.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, you can open it. She's gonna open that while I go through the rest. Here are the sweet potato stick things. Susan will scarf those down.
Oh, good.
I don't know what this is, but it feels like it's crushed and broken. She's eating a Kit Kat. How's it taste?
It's really good.
The pumpkin pie tastes awesome. I'm not sure what this is. It's got a little witch on it and stuff. That's why we have the guide. I'll come back over here. I don't know. I have no idea what this is.
Creme brulee Lipton.
Oh,
Interesting.
that's the tea.
It looks good.
Yeah, it does look good. This looks like something fizzy. Maybe? I don't know. This is the great thing about this Tokyo box. So many are just...
We don't know what anything is.
Yeah. I think this is gum. I think this is a Franken gum.
It's a gummy. I like those. Those are good.
Oh yeah, little sweet gummies, little soda ones. Taste good.
That one looks like Yoda. Is that supposed to be like a baby Yoda?
Maybe.
We should call this video Baby Yoda Gummies.
Baby Yoda gummies.
Marshmallowy?
Ooh, yummy. I like marshmallow.
Here's the gum, Frankenstein gum.
Yeah, the Frankenstein gum. And the last thing. What is this?
I don't know.
I don't either.
Is
Should we open
over
it?
there?
You want to open it?
Sure.
Let's open it and find out what this last thing is.
It looks like... Oh no, I dropped it. Oh, I think there's candies in it. They are hard.
Oh, here.
Oh, they look like they're stamps, like stamp candies. This one's a ghost. Oh no, I dropped it. Does it taste like chalk? Can you make a stamp on your tongue? Wait.
It's blue.
Oh. Does it look like a ghost? I did it, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I made a stamp.
Yeah.
Look at that.
on stamp candies. I tried biting it. It hurt my tooth. Can you eat it?
Yeah, it actually tastes pretty good. You don't like it?
No, this is really hard. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. All right, no, that's what you get for this October premium box from Tokyo Treat. We hope you all enjoyed this. We are gonna pause next month because money's tight, but we'll be back in December with the December box. We'll make sure to make an unboxing video for that. We hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.
I like snacks.
Should our ending for these be snack on? Yeah. So, we'll see you in the next video.
Snack on.